Good evening and welcome back, students. Today we will discuss some more important problems of determinants which were left undiscussed in previous sessions. I have given you all chance to solve the problems. Now check it from your solutions what you have done wrong or correct in factorizing these determinants. First row elements are a square plus b square over c. Second element of first row is c and third element is c. Second row is a, then b square plus c square over a, then a. And third row b, b and a square plus c square over b equals to 4abc we have to prove. So we start with LHS equals to first row a square plus b square upon c, c, c. Second row a, b square plus c square upon a, a. Third row b, b, a square plus c square over b. Now if we take 1 by c common from first row, means we are dividing whole the determinant by c. So we have to multiply the first row by c. So first row becomes a square plus b square upon c into c, c cancelled out. C into c, c square, c into c, c square. Then in second row, we will multiply by a. So before this, we have to divide by a. So a into a square, b square plus c square upon a into a will be cancelled out. B square plus c square, a into a square again. In third row, we will multiply by b. So we have to divide also by b. So b into b, b into b and a square plus c square upon b into b, b cancelled out. A square plus c square. Now, before further solving, two concepts come in our mind. First, we write it properly, 1 by ABC. First is if we add first column and the second column, it becomes a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, symmetrical term. Though we have not to use it in right hand side, we have not to prove it in right hand side. Second elements of the two columns are also giving the same sum, a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, but third term b square plus b square becomes 2b square. Sum of third terms of column 1 and column 2 is giving 2b square. So we are not getting a proper thing. We are not getting a proper term so that we can take anything common. It will be useful only when we can take a square plus b square plus c square common when we add c1 and c2. So this hypothesis will be cancelled. Okay. So what will we do now? Think any other thing. to get 0. If we add R2 and R3, it becomes a square plus b square. And we subtract it from R1, which is also a square plus b square, 0. Again, the second element of R2 is added to the second element of R3. So b square plus c square plus b square is 2b square plus c square. And when it is subtracted from c square, so c square minus 2b square minus c square cancelled out, minus 2b square. So it is giving a fruitful result. Again, third element of second row and third element of third row are added. A square plus c square, which is 2a square plus c square. Now when they are subtracted from c square, which is the third element of C1, c square minus 2a square minus c square cancelled out. So it is again giving minus 2 square. So this result is better. So we will perform the same action, that is R1 is operated as R1 minus R2 plus R3. So first is a square plus b square is in R1, and when we add R2, R3, first element of R2 is a square, first element of R3 is b square. When we add a square plus b square and subtract it from first element of R1, a square plus b square, it is giving 0. Again, when we add second element of R2, b square plus c square with second element of R3, b square, it is giving 2b square plus c square. You can write in rough and subtract it from the second element of R1, c square. C square will be cancelled out. And c square minus 2b square minus c square will give only minus 2b square as the second element of R1 after this operation. And again, third element of R2 is added to third element of R3. So again, it is 2a square plus c square. And when subtracted from c square, it is giving only minus 2a square. Other are written as they are: a square, b square plus c square, a square. Third row is as it is: b square, a square plus c square. Now, as this is the rough work only, so I am rubbing it. In next line, what should we do? Two is common from first row, minus 2 actually. So we can take minus 2 common over ABC. In first row we get 0, b square, c square. Looking so graceful. First row, 0 b square, c square. Second row, a square, b square plus c square, a square. Third row, b square, a square plus c square. Now, we have to save this 0 as well as to decrease the number of terms from 2 to 1 in second row and third row. In the second column and third column, or in second row and third row both, they have two elements: b square plus c square and a square plus c square, which have two terms. So if we subtract R2 minus R3, means if we perform R2 as R2 minus R3, it will give a square minus b square. So it must not be recommended. B square plus c square minus b square again will give c square, and a square minus a square plus c square will give minus c square. But this a square minus b square is not the proper thing to do. So again, think about it. Now, if we subtract R3 minus R1, it is giving a result, a better result. As b square minus 0 will be b square. B square minus b square will be 0. A square plus c square minus c square will be only a square. So we will perform this action only, that R3 is operated as R3 minus R1. So b square minus 0, b square. B square minus b square, 0. A square plus c square minus c square, a square. Only single element is known. A square, then b square plus c square, then a square, 0, b square, c square. Again, one element is creating the problem, which is b square plus c square in second row. And zeros are also in different rows and different columns. So what should we do now? First we write minus 2 upon ABC as it is. And now we will discuss this question from the first line again. Whenever there is some problem in finding the next row, next step, start from the first line. A square plus b square upon c, c. A, b square plus c square upon a, b, a square plus c square upon b. So it is correct. Now, if we multiply by c to the first row, it becomes a square plus b square, c square, c square. To the second row by a, b square plus c square, a square. To the third row by b square, a square plus c square. So 1 by ABC is already there. Now, if we perform R1 operated as R1 minus R2 plus R3, a square plus b square is subtracted from a square plus b square, 0. 2b square plus c square subtracted from c square is minus 2b square. 2a square plus c square subtracted from c square is minus 2a square. Correct. So minus 2 is common from first row, minus 2 upon ABC will be there, 0, b square, a square. It is a square actually. So in this way we can find our mistake. So it has not affected. No, it has affected as we have used this R1, which we cannot. So this step is also wrong. Now rub it. So this is the method how we can find our mistakes. Man is made for doing mistakes. Man means human being. Is made for doing mistakes, but he must search for a mistake. Minus 2 upon ABC. So what should we do in this step? After correcting it, now it is very easier. R3 can be operated as R3 minus R1. So it will give b square, 0, a square plus c square minus a square, c square. R2 can also be operated as R2 minus R1. So a square minus 0, a square, b square plus c square minus b square, c square, a square minus a square is also 0. First row is 0, b square, a square equals to minus 2 upon ABC. Now what should we do? In earlier sessions, I have discussed these types of question in which all the elements are different. We have to make them equal. So how to make them equal? If we multiply the second column b square c square 0 with a square, it becomes a square b square, a square c square 0. And multiply the third column a square 0 c square with b square, it becomes a square b square 0 and b square c square. So a square b square in second column, a square b square in third column of first row. So we can take a square b square common from it. So it will give 1 and 1 in first row as the remaining two elements. So we will perform it now. Means first we multiply column 2 by a square. So we have to divide it also by a square. Column 2. So first column is written as it is. Column 2 is multiplied by a square. So it is a square b square, a square c square and 0. And column 3 is multiplied by b square. So we have to divide it by b square. Means we have to write this quantity outside the bracket, outside the determinants. First we have multiplied by a square, so we have to divide by a square we have mentioned above. And when we multiply the third row by b square, it is b square into 0, 0, a square b square actually. And a square is multiplied by b square. Then c square is multiplied by a square, so it is a square c square. So we have to write b square also outside the bracket, outside the determinant. Determinant is also a type of bracket. Now if we take a square b square common from the first row, it is minus 2 a square b square over ABC a square b square into 0, 1, 1. A square c square 0. Then b square 0. A square c square. This a square b square will be cancelled out. So it is minus 2 upon ABC. Also, we can take a square common from row 2. B square we have multiplied this row by this column by b square. So we can easily find our mistakes if they are done carelessly in determinants. B square is common. So first row is same 0, 1, 1. In second row, a square is common, which we already have written. So 1, c square, 0. In third row, b square we have taken common. So 1, 0, c square. Now we have to use the second page also. So first copy the element of this page in next page step as it is. Minus 2 a square b square over ABC. Whenever you change the page, you should copy the item which was the last step in first page completely in next page to avoid the mistakes. 0, 1, 1. Then one c square 0. 1 c square 0. Then 1, 0 c square. 1 0 C square. So minus 2, one of the A, one of the B will be cancelled out over C. Then these two ones are in same row. So if we perform C2 operated as C2 minus C3. 1 minus 1 0, C square minus 0 C square, 0 minus C square minus C square. And write the third column as it is. Now C square is common in column 2. So minus 2AB into C square over C into 0 1 1, then 0 1 minus 1 1 0 C square. Now I have told you this many times that if we perform this action, 3 zeros must be in this type, is either below the principal diagonal or above the principal diagonal. So how to make it? For this, if you add C2 and C3, 1 plus 1 becomes 2 and minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So C1 and C2. C1 is operated as C1 plus C2. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Then all other terms will be written as they are 0 C square. Now if you cross row 1 by 2 rows, minus 2ABC. First row is brought in place of third row. So we have to multiply by minus 1 whole square as we have crossed 2 rows. Whenever 2 rows or 2 columns are crossed by a row or a column, we have to multiply by minus 1 whole square. If we cross by r rows or r columns, which can be done in the determinants more of the order more than 3 or 4 or 5, etc. That's why we are generalizing it by saying r. So we have to multiply by minus 1 to the power r. So the first row becomes third row and third row is shifted upward. We are shifting only. This time we are not changing, interchanging, not interchanging the position. And second row becomes the first row, 2, 1, 0. It saves some step. Now, the product of the diagonal element, 2 into minus 1 into minus 1, as all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. So we can find the value of determinant by multiplying only the diagonal elements, 2 into minus 1 into 1, which is minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 ABC, which is the result. Or if you write both the steps, minus 2ABC minus 1 whole square is plus 1 into 2 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 2, and its product is 4ABC, which is your right hand side, which we have to prove in this question. So it is very clear, we have to bring zeros or 1 only when we are thinking to find the factorization of any determinants like this. A square plus B square upon C, C is the first row. A, B square plus C square upon A is the second row. B, A square plus C square upon B is the third row. So first we write it as it is. Then if we take 1 by C common, means if we divide first row by C, we have to multiply it by C. So it becomes a square plus b square, c square, c square. Second row, we will multiply by a. So we have to divide by a outside the determinant. So a into a square, b square plus c square upon a into a, b square plus c square, a into a square. Then third row, b a square plus c square upon b. When we multiply it by b square, b into b square, a square plus c square upon b be cancelled out, a square plus c square. So it is 1 by abc into. Now, if we add one thing which comes in our mind, that we can add a c1 plus c2, a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, two elements are common. But third element b square plus b square becomes 2b square, which is not same. So we will not perform this action. So what should we do? To bring 0, if we add R2 and R3, it will give a square plus b square. And if we subtract it from R1, a square plus b square minus a square plus b square, it becomes 0. So we will perform this action only. So R2 plus R3 is a square plus b square, and when subtracted from a square plus b square, 0. R2 plus R3, b square plus c square plus b square is b square plus c square plus b square is 2b square plus c square, and when subtracted from c square, it is minus 2b square. Again, a square plus c square plus a square is 2a square plus c square. When subtracted from c square, it is again minus 2a square. So minus 2 is common from first row. So minus 2 upon ABC it will be. So 0, b square, a square, then a square, b square plus c square, a square is the second row, and third row is b square, a square plus c square equals to minus 2 upon ABC. 0, b square, a square, c square, 0, and b square, 0, c square. And it is very clear that whenever there are different elements in all the rows and all the columns, we have to perform any action so that they can be equal. For this, if you multiply column 2 by a square, it becomes a square b square. If you multiply column 3 by b square, it becomes a square b square. And if we take a square b square common from this, so it can be written outside. So it is 0, 1, 1. Now we can bring zeros also. Now a square, c square, 0 have also a square common. So first, from second row, we can take a square common. From third row, we can take b square common. So the final result is 0, 1, 1, 1 c square, 0, 1, 0, and c square. So in next page, we will write the same determinant again. And then we will think what should we do. And it will also cancel the one of the a from the denominator, one of the b from the denominator. So minus 2ab by c, 0, 1, 1, 1 c square, 0, 1 minus c square is already there. Why? How we have brought it? By doing the action c2 subtracted from c2 minus c3. c2 is operated as c2 minus c3. So c column 3 subtracted from column 2. So 1 minus 1, 0, c square minus 0, 0. 0 minus c square is minus c square. So c square is column common from the second column. 0, 1, minus 1. Now, if we add c1 and c2, it will again bring a 0, as we have to bring 3 zeros in such a way that 2 of them are in same row and 2 of them are in same column, like this. So we can perform this result when there is upper triangular determinant. We call it upper triangular determinants when all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. By multiplying, by finding the product of diagonal elements, 2 into minus 1 into 1, which is minus 2. When we multiply, it is 4abc, which we have to bring. First line, we have written this, that we have to prove 4abc. So we have proved it. So, very important question.